Hello everybody. Today's my topic is patient recruitment in clinical trial. So, successful clinical trial patient recruitment is a multi-step process that is worth taking the time to thoroughly understand. Clinical trial recruitment companies often make mention of through research, rigorous testing, and continuous optimization. But what does that mean in practical terms? Below, we have outlined the steps we go through when executing a clinical trial patient recruitment strategy, ranging from understanding patient demographics to finalizing and submitting an IRB packet. Here, some step-by-step method is research, researching the patient population, getting to know the patient a sponsor intends to target is vital to a successful recruitment campaign. 2. Begin. We look into a basic demographics of our patient population, including age, gender, race, ethnicity, and any other relevant insights. We also make a point to consider the condition being studied and how it impacts a patient day to day life, as these can be helpful when identifying and communicating the benefits of participating in the research. The step second is creating a pre-screener and landing page for a trial. Before starting the outreach process, it's vital to have a dedicated place to send the potential participants that have shown interest in the study. A landing page with more information about the trial can provide more context from the patients, and a pre-screener can gather data about inclusion and exclusion criteria from those that may qualify. Both pre-screeners and landing pages are considered outreach materials, so they are a part of materials will be a draft that will be submitted to the institutional review board. Step 3 is drafting the outreach plan. With the research we began in step 1, we are able to determine what channels will be the most effective for our outreach strategy. Facebook is a powerful way to reach audience of all types, but there are also other social media platforms that might be helpful depending on the demographics a sponsor is trying to reach. We also tap into our partner network, including patient advocacy groups, who can advise about how best to reach particular group of patients and might be important to communicate to specific populations. An outreach plan is a good way to solidify the language and the elements the sponsor wants to be highlight about the study to ensure wording is consistent across all materials, creating a seamless flow for patients. Developing outreach materials. This step is where we all create a copy, select images, design materials, and create any additional outreach resources we will be using in the campaign. Every piece of outreach content must be approved by the IRB, so we make sure anything that will be used is included before submitting the materials for review. We make sure to include a variety of copy options for ads, social media posts, and emails, so we have plenty of materials to run effective test and find the messaging that works best for our audience. Submitting outreach materials to the IRB. Once all of the outreach materials are complied, It's time for submit them to the IRB. Typically, it will be take a few weeks to receive Facebook plus additional time for any requested revisions. So we work closely with sponsor to draft the launch timeline with this mind to avoid and mind to avoid any delays. Thank you. So this is all about the patient recruitment in clinical trials. Thank you.